those. So students, we'll see the first one, articles. Now articles, a and the. Articles are further been classified in two parts, indefinite articles and definite articles. As the name suggests, definite. So when we specify something or when we say something definite, when we particularize something. So in indefinite article, a and an comes, and indefinite, the. So first one, a and an. Where we use a and an? We use a and an before countables in the singular number. See, a pen, a bus, an umbrella, an hour, a boy, an elephant, with countables and in singular number. So two things you have to keep in mind, that it should be countable as well as singular in number. Now, when we use a before a countable in the singular number beginning with a consonant sound. Consonant sound. Pay attention, students. Consonant sound. See here, a building, a train, a one-eyed man, a European, a uniform. Here you can see O, E, U. These words are vowels, but still we have used a before it. Why? Because of the consonant sound. See here, one. The sound is W. One sound. Sounds W. European. Y. U sound. Uniform. Y sound. Same. We use an before a countable if the singular number beginning with a vowel sound. An artist, an instrument, an honest man. See here, the word is consonant H, but still we have used an. Why? Because the sound is of O, honest. You can pronounce in C, honest, O sound. An honorable job, O sound, honorable. An MA, M-A. M sounds M, है ना? How it sounds? M. And E is vowel. So here we have used an MA. So I think the use of a and an is clear to you all. We'll move further to the definite article, the. Now we'll learn the use of the. When we use the, we have to use it before a noun whenever we want to make it particular. See here, there are many trains, but I am talking about the train by which I came. So I am making it particular. The phone which I was looking for. There are many phones, but I am talking about the particular phone, the phone which I was looking for. Next, we use the with a noun that has already been mentioned in the sentence. See, I have a motorbike. I have a motorbike. The motorbike is too old. The noun has already been mentioned in the sentence, and if we use it again, then we use the. I have a pen. The pen is very beautiful. So, pen was used in the sentence. The pen. So, if we use again, we use the. I think most of you know this one. We use the with superlatives. Mark is the best footballer in the city. She is the smartest girl in our class. So these best, smartest, this is the most interesting book I have ever read. So these all are superlative degrees. So next, we use the with a common noun. We use the with a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. See here, the donkey is a beast of burden. Here, the donkey is representing the whole class, all the donkeys. So, we have used the before it. The cow feeds on grass. We are not talking about any particular cow. So, this cow is representing the whole class. So, we are talking about all cows. Next, we use the with adjectives when those adjectives are used as nouns. He is a rich man. He is a poor man. So, rich, poor. These all words are adjectives. But here, the adjectives are used as a noun. How? See here. There should be equal opportunities for both the rich and the poor. There should be equal opportunities for the rich and the poor. So here, the rich represents the rich people. The poor represents the poor people. So here, these adjectives, rich and poor, are used as a noun. So if the adjectives are used as a noun, then we will use the before it. We also use the with the names of rivers, seas and oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, trains, ships, aeroplanes, with the names of newspaper, well-known buildings, countries. But you have to keep in mind, if the name contains a common noun and the whole families, if the name is suggesting the whole families, we are talking about the whole families, there also we use the. See here, the Brahmaputra, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Ravalis, the Gita, the Bible. So these are names of holy books, mountain ranges, seas and oceans. Names of trains, the Shatabdi Express. Names of newspaper, the Hindustan Times. Well-known buildings, the Red Fort. Countries, if the name contains a common noun. See here, the United States of America, states, the word is a common noun. The United Kingdom, the word kingdom is a common noun. The whole families, the Khans, the Gandhis, the Kapoors. So here we are not mentioning particular about any Khan. We are talking about all Khans, the whole family, the Kapoors. Now, a very important point. Article with proper nouns. As a rule, a proper noun does not need an article. Mumbai is the biggest city of India. We don't say the Mumbai. It will be wrong. And it's wrong. The Mumbai, if we say, it's wrong. But if a proper noun is used like a common noun, then it may need a, an, or the with it. See, Aryan is the Kohli of our school. Kohli, Virat Kohli, you all know. Virat Kohli is a proper noun, but here it is used as a common noun. Aryan is the Kohli of our school. Aryan is the Kohli of our school. So here, Aryan has the quality of Kohli. We are giving him the qualities of Kohli. Sachin is the Bradman of India. We need a Gandhi to solve our problem. Here we don't mean that Gandhiji. We need a person which has the quality of Gandhi. So students, so far we have seen where to use articles. Now we'll see where not to use. Omission of articles. With the names of meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, we don't use any article. She invited her friends to lunch, not a lunch, not an lunch, No, we'll not use articles with the names of meals. With the names of days, months, and seasons, we don't use articles. Sunday is a holiday. We'll not say the Sunday. With plural nouns when they denote a class, animals can also be friendly. Animals can also be friendly. So before animals, we'll not use any articles. With nouns that name materials. Students, please see it carefully and pay attention. With nouns that name materials. Paper has become very expensive. She had made a heavy investment in gold. So paper, gold, these are material nouns. We will not use. But when these nouns are particularized, we use the with them. See here. Here with paper, here also, this is the paper is material noun. We have not used any article. But here in this sentence, the paper used in this book is of a superior quality. Here with paper you have used the. Why? Because this noun we have particularized here. The paper used in this book, I am talking about this one, so I am particularizing, is of a superior quality. With languages and branches of knowledge, we don't use articles. Japanese is a difficult language. English is the language of the English. Now, here English means language, but here the English means the English people we are talking.